Hello and good afternoon, everyone. Adam here at Kinion Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. This afternoon, we are very proud to show you a walk-around startup and drive video of this gorgeous 1973 Ford Mustang convertible. Now, this gorgeous car was restored with restoration completed in 2020. This beautiful car, red, black stripes on it, black interior, bucket seats, factory console, super nice car. 302 automatic in this car, power steering and power brakes, brand new set of American racing wheels. This is a very nice clean car. Check out that engine. The engine, the transmission, the whole drivetrain was gone through on this car. It was I was gonna tell you it was a rotisserie. It's not, because underneath this car, I don't know where it came from, but it must have came from out west, a very dry climate, because the undercarriage of this car is beautiful. It's got all the original undercoating on it, and gorgeous car. Everything that you see under the hood appears to be all brand new. Very nice, very clean car. Aluminum radiator. Way nice. The body and paint on this car is second to none. There's no real imperfections that I see on this car anywhere. No bubbles, no blisters, no scrapes, no scratches, no cracks. It's just super nice. You see a lot of Mustang convertibles. You don't see them this nice. Trying to see what size. They're 18s, 18-inch wheels. Looks like 17s in the front, 18s in the back. Yep, 17 fronts, 18s rear. Interior in this car is very nice. Looks like it's had new seat covers on it. Dash pad's in very good shape. AM/FM radio. Mustang wheel. All the glass in this car is in excellent shape. It's got a jack there. You're missing the spare tire. The jams, super nice. They did an excellent job on this car when they restored it. Pretty sure it has all the original quarter panels on it too. I looked up in there, it looks really nice. Door panels, very nice. Nice car. Left turn, right turn. Radio. Wipers. Blower motor works. Gas gauge works. Exhaust sounds real nice. Right turn, left turn, brake lights. License plate lights, they work. Side markers. You can see how nice and clean this car is. Look at the body and the paint on this thing. Look down the sides of it. Check out your door gaps. That's how you can tell a quality car. You walk up to the car, you look at your door gaps, you look at your trunk gaps. Somebody's going to get a very, very nice car with this one. The top's in excellent shape on this car as well. Turn the headlights on brights. There you go. All the lights work. It's just a great car. We'll take you out for a little cruise in it. Check out that paint. Nothing to not like about this one. Regular inventory. I'm trying to sell mostly muscle cars and collector cars anymore. But if you're interested in buying this beautiful Mustang convertible, give us a call or check out our website for whatever else we may have that you would be interested in. I guess that car is in a hurry there. I thought they were gonna rear end us there for a second. They were going pretty fast. I was looking in the mirror saying, oh boy.
Hold on.
Turn around here and head back to town. Like I say, if you're looking for a really nice Mustang to cruise around, convertible to cruise around in the summer, get this one. Give us a call, 563-452-2450. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you have not already. I really appreciate everyone watching all of the videos. Have a great day, and we'll be back with you here in a second with another great quality collector car.